Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sushma and I do a lot of videos pertaining to DIY, decor, lifestyle and some food as well. So if you're somebody who likes any of these topics, then please do not forget to hit on that red subscribe button down below. It would definitely mean a lot, and also follow me on my Instagram handle that's right here as well for more updates. Now, on to today's video, I thought I'll share with you a quick tutorial on how to make DIY Easter eggs. Easter is on Sunday and we're all locked down in our houses. And I thought it would be a great toddler activity, even though you don't celebrate Easter. My son loves doing Easter egg hunt, and I thought if you have a toddler at home, your toddlers would enjoy this as well. So to see how this easy DIY is made, jump on it and let's get rolling. To begin with, you need to outline the shape of an egg on an empty sheet of paper or a cardstock. Once that is done, carefully cut the outlined egg. Now that we have the template, use this to trace more eggs on a long sheet of paper. I had about 10 eggs on a long sheet of paper that I traced. Now on to coloring each individual egg. You can use solid colors on some, you can do prints and lines on some, and you can do circles on some, and you can really go all out with your creativity here. These were all of my designs, and all of these would make about 12 paper eggs in total. Now on to cutting the colorful eggs. Once you have those ready, you can use them as it is, but I decided to actually color them at the back as well. I think that gives it more brightness, and it also looks nice when the egg stands out. Once it's all cut and done, this is how it all looks like. You can actually use 5 of the same patterns to make each egg, or you can just pick random patterns of 5 different ones, and that will constitute one egg as well. Now that we have all the designs ready, hold 5 of each design together, fold it in half, and then with the help of a stapler, staple 2 pins right at the center of each egg. Now fan each layer really carefully until you get the desired shape of an egg. And that's it. These easy DIY Easter eggs are ready to be hidden, and the kids can thoroughly enjoy it for this upcoming Easter or just as a general toddler activity. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Please do give this quick tutorial a try for this Easter and let me know how your kids enjoyed it in the comment section down below. As always, if you enjoyed watching it, please do not forget to hit the like button as well. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and do not forget to stay safe. Bye-bye.